In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zoho CRM with Campaigns 2026 Full Guide. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find and install the right marketplace extension so your CRM can talk to your email campaign tool smoothly. Before we start, make sure you're signed in to the correct Zoho CRM organization and that you have admin or extension install permissions. If you're not sure, check with your CRM administrator, because the marketplace option won't appear for restricted users. Begin on the Zoho CRM homepage. This is your command center, and it ensures you're working from the main navigation where everything is easy to access. Look to the top right area of the screen for the marketplace option. Depending on your theme and edition, it might appear as an icon or a labeled link, but it's always in the top navigation cluster. Open the marketplace, and you'll land on the extensions area. At the top, you'll see a search bar. Click into it and type the word campaign. Give it a moment to fetch results. You'll likely see multiple listings related to campaign tools. Scan the results and locate the listing labeled Campaign Monitor for Zoho CRM. This is the example we're using to connect CRM data with an email campaign platform. Before you proceed, it's a good habit to open the listing and review the description, publisher information, update notes, and any recent reviews. This quick check helps you confirm you're installing a reliable, up-to-date extension that fits your needs. Click into the Campaign Monitor for Zoho CRM listing to view the detail page, then select Install. The installer will walk you through a few prompts. Typically, you'll be asked to agree to terms, choose who can access the extension, such as admins, all users, or specific profiles, and grant the permissions the app needs to read or write data. If you're evaluating the integration, consider installing for admins first, so you can test safely before rolling it out to the whole team. Continue through the prompts and confirm when asked. You may see a brief loading period while the extension is added to your org. Once installation completes, you'll see a success confirmation. If the installer includes setup screens, like connecting your email campaign account or selecting default sync preferences, follow those on-screen steps now so your CRM can communicate with the campaign platform immediately. If you don't have those details handy, you can always return to the extension's settings later from the Setup or Marketplace area. That's it. You went from the CRM homepage into the Marketplace, searched for campaign tools, opened the Campaign Monitor for Zoho CRM extension, and completed the installation flow. If you don't see the Marketplace link or the extension listing, verify your permissions and ensure you're in the correct